High cortisol can age you faster than smoking cigarettes or vaping. If you're always feeling exhausted, stressed, anxious, or experiencing premature hair thinning, gray hair, or skin aging, here are 4 tips to help you bring down elevated cortisol and slow down the biological clock.
Your body naturally produces a surge of cortisol right after you wake up to get you moving. Eating protein sends a signal to your brain that resources are abundant and that it's safe to down ramp the cortisol spike, preventing your morning alertness from turning into midday anxiety or jitters. You might want to avoid caffeine on an empty stomach though. Although strength training releases a temporary cortisol spike to mobilize energy and trigger repair processes, doing it regularly will reduce your baseline cortisol response over time.
Practice intentional breath work. Taking just 2 minutes to do slow, deep breathing tells the brain that the threat has passed and lowers cortisol on command. This is called the vagus nerve reset.